Katba kami glaya kadang penkre ke election Lok Sabha. Katanat election kalayo ban kurup ya kapisa gidrok bat kakiat basyong dor palan lai punyo klur tingka. Katanat election kala penlong ru ya kajengelang bat ka Election Commission of India. Bat kami niya ya kajeng penkre na kabentakan ke election Lok Sabha bat kam shim la shim AA kababakla kami glaya. Haba pentip bala penlong ru ya kajengelang bat ka Assam kerdan jongki Chief Secretary utiwari ula pentip bagidon shispa prapunyo utili ki polling station ki badan ha ki jaka kaput bat ka Assam kat ba shispa sapa utili ki polling station ki don ki jaka kaput bat ka Bangladesh ki don chu show sa shispa ari pusau utili ki polling station ha ka ba ki nong penya ya ki election bat ki nong thap vote ki hap penya na Assam bat ya kini ki jeng la dep pan penben bat ka Assam.
Total seizure worth 33.45 crore, and after the announcement of MCC we have 4.06 crore rupees seizure. So total seizure till date is 37.51 crore. It includes the liquor, drug, cash, freebies, etc., etc. So we are having around 187 polling stations bordering with the Assam. 140 polling stations bordering with the international border of Bangladesh, and we have around 164 polling stations where polling parties have to move through Assam.
O Superintendent of Police ka